And at the end, when everything was done, everything crashes, and he starts dancing. It is beautiful, you know. We'll start with the theme that he just opened, you know, and it's a video done by Osho. It's an interview with him. Osho was very authentic, that's what you can say. I mean, it doesn't matter if you like him or not, he was truly 100% authentic. And he has this beautiful video that I'm always laughing about. It's called The Spiritual Playboy. So he's being asked in an interview by a French journalist. I mean, Mr. Osho, obviously, you are a spiritual leader. He created a huge movement on spirituality. But yet there are many people that associate you with Mr. Hugh Hefner from Playboy than with a spiritual leader. How do you see this? And he says, like, and he has such a sense of humor. You can watch him, he's just quiet. And he's like, I'm a spiritual playboy. and the journalist is like, blank. And he says, is there a problem with this? So he has this answer that he's always doing. And so everyone is laughing. He has this beautiful you know, story that it's related to what Jonas was saying, that most of the people, not most, but a lot of people are afraid of spirituality because they're afraid they will lose their soul, they will lose their identity, not their soul, and the way they are, you know, having fun and having parties and, you know, just living life, you know, laughing. And that's the beautiful story that Osho says, that he sees spirituality like uniting the Zorba with the Buddha. Right, so Buddha obviously, you know, the level of consciousness, but then the Zorba also. You have seen Zorba? Zorba the Greek? Yeah. Some of you, yeah. I won't tell the story of the movie, but let's say he fought all a big part of his life to build something, and at the end, when everything was done, everything crashes, and he starts dancing. It is beautiful, you know, it's one of the most beautiful lessons of life if you can get. You know, it doesn't matter how hard you can get hit, just smile about it, smile it all up. And that's what Osho is trying, you know, it's spirituality, it's uniting these two worlds. I mean, obviously, we work with ourselves, we grow in consciousness, but that doesn't mean we don't have fun, that doesn't mean we don't sing, we don't laugh, we don't dance. God is in the dance, right? God is in everything, especially in dancing and singing and having fun, and God is in love, you know, so everything is love.